Yeah, David, W5CWT. Okay, so if you've had a problem with Winlink where you log on to get your email and you've got a huge email there and you're either on HF or your Winlink, your packet connection's not real good and it's taking forever to download, and you don't really need that one specific one, you just need another couple emails in there, I've got a solution for you. It's real simple. It's just in the settings, you open up your Winlink Express, you go to your settings menu, click settings, and then go down to preference, and then you're going to check this box right here that says message review before downloading. Simply check that, and that will display a list of all of your pending incoming messages before it starts to download, so you can check which ones you want and which ones you don't want. Simply check the ones you want or check them all, and then say get the messages that you've checked. And that way, if you have a large email in there, maybe has an attachment of some kind or something like that, all you have to do is simply not check it or uncheck it, and you can skip that one and download just the ones you want. So we're going to click update. We'll walk you through this real fast. We're going to open a packet session. Again, this works on HF as well. We're going to open this and watch what happens. It connects to the node, does a little handshake, gets our list of email that we've got, and then it's going to pop up a window here. So we've got one email message waiting. It's going to pop it up and ask, what do I want to do? So I can check the ones or uncheck the ones I don't want, check the ones I do want. I can permanently delete the ones that are unchecked so I don't ever have to get them again, or I can hold the ones that are unchecked until next time, which is what I'm going to do. Then I can either download the checked messages, select all messages, deselect messages, lots of options here. So I'm going to simply come in here and say download the checked message, and then it'll continue as normal and download the message that I checked. It's really that simple. Another way to avoid having to download a huge file, you can see what you've got and choose the messages before actually downloading them. Real helpful in the field, especially when you're over HF or a slow packet connection. That's going to do it. W5CWT.